Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a basic Flask web application in Python. And this time, we will go a step further by serving an actual HTML page. So, ready? Let's dive in. First, create a new file and save it as Flask app. Make a separate folder. Save. Okay, so to begin, ensure Flask is installed. Uh, First, open your terminal and write the command pip install Flask. So I'm commenting it here because I already installed. Next, let's create. So inside the project folder, we create two files. The first one is Flask app you already created, and inside the project folder is called templates. So create it here, where we will store our HTML files. So let's start with the Python file. First, import Flask. So from Flask, import Flask render underscore template. So first we import Flask to create our app and render template to serve HTML pages. Now after this, app equal to Flask name. So this line initializes our Flask app similar to what we did in the previous tutorials. Okay, now after this, create the function, define home. Okay, now at the rate app dot route. So this will define the home page route. Okay, now after this, create the function, define home, return render underscore template. So here we use the HTML page index dot HTML. So here we define the route for the home page using the app dot route decorator. Instead of returning plain text, we use the render template function to serve an HTML page called index.html. So Flask automatically looks for this file inside the folder named template, which is already created. Okay, now if name equal to main, so app dot run debug equal to true. So this block starts our Flask development server. The debug equal to true option is helpful during the development as it provides detailed error messages and auto reloads the web when you make changes. Okay, now let's create the index.html file inside the templates folder. So this will be our basic web page. So create a new page, save, select the templates, and here we use index.html. Okay, so doc type HTML. Here we use my Flask app. So first, I am simply put two tags. The first one is h1 and the second one is p tag, which is paragraph. So welcome to my Flask app and p. So this is a simple web page which is served using Flask. Okay, so you can customize this to display anything you like. So save this as well. Now let's run the Flask app. Open the terminal and navigate to the project folder. So here, okay, now navigate to your project directory So in my case, I am use desktop, and on the desktop here is the project folder. Now enter. Now after this, run the Python file. So Python, what is the file name? Flask app dot py. Mm, you will see output indicating that the app is running along with the local URL like http 127.0.0.1. So open this URL in your browser, and there it is. Your Flask app is now serving an actual HTML page. This makes it much more versatile and user friendly compared to just showing plain text. So let's quickly recap. First, we go to our code file, open, stop project. So import a Flask and a render template. These are the core components to serve an HTML page. Create an app instance. This initialize your Flask application. Define a route. This links a URL to an HTML page. Now the next one is the HTML file. This is the content your users will see, and the last one is run the app. So this starts the development server. So from here you can expand your app by adding more routes, linking style sheets, and even building dynamic pages with Flask templates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.